Start by leveling it off so it's nice and square. We're going to start with the center hole, and we're going to use one of these drill bits. Now I've made this mark here at the center of the hole, and that's where I'm going to put this. The good thing about this drill bit is you can actually just start and leave it there and step away and see if you're going straight down. But looks okay. Now we've made the hole. Only go halfway through. As you can see, you can easily make it a lot bigger, but it depends on how good you are with the drill. Same goes for the top two pins. Now if you have made your markings correctly and the drill bit has gone perfectly through, you can actually put it all the way through the second hole. Don't drill both holes, just start with one. I'm going to use one of these. It's the same kind of drill bit. This is the center hole. This is just to help me take as much off with the drill bit, so I don't need to chisel that much off. Do that in all four corners. Drill as close to the lines as you feel comfortable with. The less you need to chisel off. And from now on, there is no easy way. It's just chiseling. Hammer, start with a small chisel. Now start with a small chisel, and then we'll take a larger one to get this surface right here nice and smooth. Now I'm just about to have finished the hole. Just need to clean it off a little bit. So let's see if this one fits. Yep. Super. Now you can see this one is a bit closer to the lines. I do not recommend this if you haven't drilled with a drill bit like this before. Take a smaller drill bit and then you can just chisel the rest off. Perfect. Now I've made the first hole in the top and should fit. So we'll start on the second one, but before we do that, now for getting the best results with the second hole, you make a piece of timber like this, softwood, and you drive this through all the way. It needs to fit very tightly in the hole you just made. This will prevent, when you go through this, that it doesn't crack or anything like that when the two holes meet in the middle. As you can see now, I've driven this through. Now I just need to cut it off, both ends. When this is done, we can start on the second hole. Now that we've done that, we need to start with the chisel again. Now we've finished with the two top holes. So, arms fits nicely in. There are some small adjustments that we need to do, but we'll wait with that. Now we'll start making the hole for the leg.